Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening OKEx and navigating straight to copy trading. Do not detour. Once there, make sure you're logged into the account that initiated the copy. Look at your active copied traders list and pick the exact copy contract you want to stop. Check current position sizes and any pending orders so you understand exposure. If you see a Manage or three-dot menu next to the trader, tap it now to reveal the cancel or stop copy option. This is your launch point. Once you've opened the trader menu, choose the stop copy or cancel option and read the confirmation carefully. The app will often ask if you want to close existing positions or only stop future allocations. If you choose to close, confirm whether it executes market closes immediately. This can trigger slippage. If you stop new allocations, positions remain open and must be managed separately. Make sure to check displayed fees and any lock-in or notice period before you hit confirm. After confirming, verify the copy shows as stopped in your active copied traders with a timestamp. This proves execution. If status still shows active, try refreshing, clearing the app cache, or switching from mobile data to Wi-Fi and repeat the cancel. Intermittent network issues can block the call. If the action still fails or your positions behave unexpectedly, capture the trade ID and screenshots, then contact OKEx support explaining the steps you took. This gives you evidence and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.